focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Please do subscribe, be a part of this family if you're not already subscribed. Let us install this wig from Dragon City Hair. Okay, so I am going to start with this edge control glue. I'm shooting two videos, so I'm going to look there and I'm going to look here to slick back my edges. That's the control glue that I'm going to use, or the edge control that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to slick back my edges.
Get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
And then I'm gonna go in with my wig cap and just put it over my head. I'm not doing the bold cap method today.
Wish you would just focus on me. Focus on me.
That should be fine. And then I'm just gonna wipe my forehead to make sure that any excess oils or anything on my forehead is removed before I put on the glue. And then I put a bit of foundation on my lace, a foundation that is slightly darker than my complexion. As you can see guys, not much prepping was done on this wig. I just placed the wig on my head to see where I wanted to sit, and that's pretty much where I wanted to sit. And then I'll just push the wig back like so, and then I'll put the glue where I want the wig to sit. I've just gone in with the second layer of glue. Just gonna let it dry a bit. I'm not using my hair dryer because my plugs are a bit far from me, so also this lash wants to come out. Already you can see that it's see that? I am shooting two videos, so if I look this side, you will understand that guys. And then I'm just gonna pull my wig forward. Just gonna put it forward and we're gonna let it sit on that glue. Make sure that any hairs that have come forward, we take them out from there. Let me use this. Just start sticking. This is why they always say you must prep your hair before, because every time you try to stick, the hairs will come and want to stick on your hand and on the glue and everything. This side is definitely doing its own thing today, but let us put on our melting band. I know I look like a crazy lady right now, but we're gonna leave that on for a couple of minutes and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna remove this now. Yo, you put your hand already and see what it's giving. See what it's giving. Yeah, when it's got that white cast, you guys can see that, right? So this is where the melting spray comes in, I guess, because now is just removing the excess hair that I have lying on my lace, because I did not prep my wig beforehand. So that I'm just going to do this and remove. And then I'm gonna go in with my melting spray. I'm gonna spray that on my hand, and it smells really bad. I'll be back. Anxiety. This is what it's giving. This side is not laying down for some reason. I don't know what is going on, but it's irritating me. Anyway, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this side. Is giving perfect. Hi, this side is not giving. But anyway, I don't have time to fix it now. I have to do my makeup and get ready to leave. See you. I don't know. You guys will tell me. Do you think it's giving? Do you think my install is giving? It's giving scalp. Kesana. Do you think it's giving scalp? I don't think this side is giving scalp that much, but this side, yeah, definitely. Anyway, let me straighten this hair, and I'm thinking of doing a middle part with some edges, because no, yeah, let's do that. So my wax stick is finished, but I learned this from TikTok, that you put spray in this comb and it should lay your hair flat. Oh yes, it's doing a pretty good job. Should I do edges? I don't know. This is looking kind of nice without edges. Let me get my hot comb. So I have decided against the baby hairs, and this is what my installation is looking like. I think I did a pretty good job. And yeah, I'm happy with the Shein products. They seem to work really well. This literally looks like it's coming from my skull, so I'm happy with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Focus on me.